Good afternoon, Justin here for the Avant-Garde Collection. I thought I'd take a few minutes and make a walk-around video for you guys on our 2012 Porsche Panamera Turbo. This car is ending on Bring a Trailer in about 4 days, and it is a fantastic car that I've been enjoying personally for the last 6 weeks or so. Fantastic road car, absolute pleasure to drive, and very fast if I do say so myself. Absolute rocket ship for 4. This is all original paint except for the front bumper cover, which I had repainted due to a few rock chips that I was not fond of. Car has new tires. I upsized just a little bit because I wanted to fill out the wheel well. This car has new brakes. This car also has new air suspension in the front, a new battery, fresh service. It is absolutely ready to go and gorgeous. The paint is stunning in this car. Color, fantastic. This was a huge build. It got just about every option from new, and it really makes the difference. Show you the inside of this leather too. I mean, it's just awesome. The wood wheel is just gorgeous. Sun visors in the rear. Again, 4-person seating. Suede headliner. Just as nice as can be. I am standing by to answer any questions you may have on this car. So ask them in the comments and I'll get right back to you. But this is about as nice a Panamera as we can offer. How nice these seats are. Dash is perfect. Glass is perfect in this car. There you have it, folks. We're happy to do more pictures, videos, whatever you request. So just ask. Thanks again.